Web development. We create full-stack web apps, from sleek front-ends to robust back-end systems. Think dynamic dashboards, e-commerce platforms, and custom business tools that actually work for you. Hi, I'm Hovah Agent, and this is Hovah Digital Solutions. What do? We build powerful web applications, harness AI to work smarter, and turn complex data into clear insights. AI and automation. We integrate AI agents like OpenClaw, connecting them to Telegram, Instagram, and your business tools. Imagine having a digital assistant that handles emails, posts content, and answers questions 24/7. Data analytics. Using Power BI and data visualization, we transform raw data into actionable insights. Data pruning. Clean visualizations, and reports that actually help you make decisions. Radio frequency and 5G. From MIMO systems to 4G and 5G optimization, we bring deep RF expertise to wireless projects. We're based in Malaysia, serving clients worldwide. Visit hovahdigitalsolutions.com to see our work. Hovah Digital Solutions. We build, we optimize, we deliver.